basic guide to go attack. So my voice is
He
low.
was running. He looked at
Yeah,
you just went.
yeah. Follow me.
He literally did. Oh, that's crazy, man. You're not even the guy that you're right, bro. I'm joking. He was running. He looked at you. He just went. Bro. No way, you got feed, bro. You got feed.
Hi,
Hey,
gorilla. 9'9", 5'6".
are you a robot?
You a robot, buddy?
Hi. This is
No,
you
not
a robot?
if you're not a robot, you have to do this.
always game.
Yeah. That's the average gurgle. That's the average gurgle.
See, I'm not a robot.
That's the average
And
gurgle.
then you have to do this.
Nick.
All you guys are
Wait, Bob. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Gotta go.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Watch this. What is this thing? This badge. There it is.
Oh, you have to double that thing up. Still, come on, follow me.
Alright.
I guess. We use
No, I'm gonna do the
City.
same thing. This channel,
I
You
want
see this magic machine?
lights
Complete these things,
what's in it.
and you
Show you.
you can level it up. Let me show you mine.
This way.
Let
We're
me show
gonna
you
actually
mine.
have 500. Get it.
Look at mine.
That seems dark.
Look at my badge.
It's called the ghost.
Cool. I don't know what that means.
What you get.
Why
And
are
then
you
one
walking that white?
and some very expensive badges. So yes,
There's so much.
and these
Oh, I like this one.
Yo,
These
another
weapons-
headless monkey.
these
Wait, I swear
Yo,
I
it's
have
a headless
more.
monkey.
this voice right.
Can you walk like that?
I swear I have more badges.
Place is called Monkey Paw.
How you
We're gonna
walk
check
like
that out in another part. And now
Walk like that.
Guys,
what's
Yo, he's a headless monkey. He's a headless monkey. What color cable?
oh yeah,
Let's see you around color code.
it's gonna
I never met.
What's around color code?
I don't know.
be so. Anyway, it's good. And yes, voices will work. Like I just told you. And yeah, it's a cheese. That's enough. That's enough. So, see you next clip. Bye.